This video is about how to find books to borrow online from the public library. I'm going to show you the resource that Mr. Fassel sent to us. So what you're going to do is you're going to go onto the internet and you're going to type in hcplc.org. That's going to take you to the Hillsborough County Public Library. Once you get there, you're going to click on Books and More, and then you're going to scroll down to eBooks. After getting to eBooks, you're going to click on Overdrive. And once Overdrive comes up, then you will have a chance to look for the book that you would like. So, actually, let me go back to Mr. Fassel's instructions really quickly. You have these instructions. I have attached them to your assignment from the day one. So you're going to click on search, and then you will click in the name of your person. So let's see, here's the search button over here where the magnifying glass is. I'm going to be researching Madam C.J. Walker. So I type that in and push enter. And this book comes up. It says place a hold. So that means that it may not be available. But let's say you are searching for, well, like Mr. Fassel said, Roberto Clemente. I spelled his name wrong, but it should still come up. Ooh, I Am books. These are great books. And notice how it says borrow down here. That means that that book is available right now. So we're going to go ahead and click on this book. I'm going to look at Mr. Fassel's directions to see what to do next. Okay. So once it's time to check out an ebook, this is an important information. You type in your lunch number where it says card number, and the PIN is 4321. So let's go back here and try that. We want to borrow this book. And then here where it says card number, you're going to type in your card number, or I'm sorry, your lunch number. So let's see if it works for me. And then the password is 4321. Now, please don't type in my number. Go ahead and type in your lunch number. They might actually, oh, yeah, it doesn't even let me do it anyway because I'm not a student. So you should be able to put your card number in here, and then the PIN is 4321. If it says place a hold, you can go ahead and place a hold on your book, but that might mean you may not get it in time, so you'll want to go ahead and look for another book. Really quickly, let's go to the other website that Mr. Fassel told us about. We're going to go to galepages.com. I noticed a lot of you put that you want to get your information from Wikipedia, but Wikipedia is not a reliable source. I'm pretty sure that the general public can add to Wikipedia, which makes it an unreliable resource for research, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and look at World Book. So let's go back here. I'm gonna go ahead and type in galepages.com/DOEM. And once we get here, we're going to go to World Book. Although Mr. Fassel says there are other sources on this page worth checking out too. So we're going to click on World Book. And while that's coming up, I'm going to notice he has a username. So HCPSFL is the login ID, and the password is the same. So we're going to go ahead and find that. Let's see. Let me go back to the directions. Click on World Book. So we're on World Book. Let's go to Kids. We want to search for important people. So let's see, Madam C.J. Walker. Let's see what comes up here. Okay, so reliable information comes up here as well. And actually, it looks like I didn't even have to sign in here. I'm just able to find the resource. But if it did ask for us to sign in, then we would be able to sign in. Now, this is really cool down here. This is actually the first time I've been on this website, and I am so excited about it. So remember how I told you that at some point you're going to have to write a bibliography or a works cited page to tell how you got your information. That's called a works cited page. This is telling us how we can cite this article. So if I get information from this article, then this is how I'm going to show the name of my book. Okay, so I could just actually copy it and then paste it onto my Microsoft Word. Okay. We'll go over that a little bit more later, but what's really important is how to find the books. A lot of you are doing, are researching people who are from the, the past, and like, from the 1800s or the early 1900s. Those people are likely to be in the World Book. Let's see. I saw Alexander Hamilton. See if we can find Alexander. Yep, Alexander Hamilton's here. I saw Amelia Earhart. Let's see if Amelia Earhart's here. Yep, Amelia Earhart's here. I saw LeBron James. Let's see if LeBron James is here. Even LeBron James is here. Awesome. Let's see. I saw Drew Brees. Awesome. So there is information and there are articles about a lot of the people who you want to research. This is a reliable source. Remember that we're doing a research project and it's part of reading. So in order to do that research, I do need for you to actually be reading some sources. You have to have 3 readable sources. Okay. So World Book is great. The public library is great. The last one to go to is MyOn. Your MyOn and my MyOn are going to look different, but I'm pretty sure you guys all know how to get on MyOn. Where is my MyOn here? I'm in Clever. Oh, here it is. So I click on MyOn. I shouldn't even have to log in, but I may. No, I lied. Okay, when you get to MyOn, just make sure you're in Hillsborough County, Lewis Elementary, Hillsborough County. Type in your password. Search in your library. You just go to search. And let's say let's see, Madam C.J. Walker. Here we go. And there are plenty of books about her here as well. Okay, so these are 3 different ways that you can find 3 reliable sources. You do not have to find all of your sources from here, but I would like for you to check it out so that you can find some researchable sources. Also, do you know where I am? I hope you've enjoyed this video and this last look of the classroom. I hope you have a great day and good luck finding your sources. Bye.